Everyone, so today I am packing for my trip to go to Maine and Canada, and we're just doing a lot of outdoor walking and being outside a lot, so I thought I would just do a pack with me and just kind of do a talking video at the same time. I'm gonna try and pack light, but we'll see. So I absolutely destroyed, but this company is amazing and they make all of their stuff naturally sweetened. You just don't feel that guilt about eating any kind of junk food. I always make sure that the cacao is, around this number, and they also sent me the raisins, which I'm excited to try. Gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, naturally sweetened. I know that people freak out when they go on vacations and they're doing well, but no reason to freak out. There's always an option. There's always a healthier option, Just because you're out to eat doesn't mean you have to eat the unhealthiest thing. Choose something clean and go with, if you have to second guess it, don't choose it. Like, if you're second guessing it, just don't. So, yeah, I'll be posting that kind of stuff, but, yeah, right now I'm just sitting in this mess and I hate it. I don't like packing because it honestly just stresses me out, and I tried to make a list of things I should bring and I have gotten absolutely nowhere. It's really just nothing. So I think I'm just gonna have to wing it because it doesn't seem like that's kind of list is gonna work out for me. I swear on my life, I've had the craziest day. I woke up in the morning at my friend Sarah's house because we had a power outage. And then I went to a spin class at 6 a.m. Before I walked into spin class, I was taking off my necklaces because I didn't want to have them on. And I threw the necklace my boyfriend got me onto the front of the car, and I didn't realize there was a vent there. So it fell into the vent, and I was panicking and spin oh my God, I just wanted to try and focus. So then I come back home after spin. I end up taking a half hour with a tweezer to get it out of the front of the car. I was going to work and I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna run out of gas. So I stopped at the gas station. Pumps aren't ready yet, you're gonna have to wait. I'm crying in the car. Oh my God, what if my boss thinks I'm purposely trying to be late? Oh my God, the morning was just insane. These are all my clean laundry too, but I have to fix that because if I come back and it's laying on my bed, I'm gonna freak out. But this is the stuff, guys, that I want to bring, but I don't do well at packing light at all. So, but when I'm there, I'm gonna film for you guys how I stay on track when I go away. Okay, guys, so this is my suitcase now, and I just really don't know if any of this stuff. Okay, I just really don't know if any of this stuff is actually. I mean, I do. I think it is what I need, but I don't know. I mean, I could not fit myself in that little tiny one before. Also, I put my hair up in this little cute look. It's adorable. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, and then I'm gonna put some toiletries in there, so I'll show you guys that. It's honestly a super casual trip. We're just packing some nice stuff for if we go out to dinner. We're cooking dinner some nights, which I'm really happy about. The whole entire food combining thing, I know there's controversy and stuff over it. I've been following it, but I'm not making the tropical bub thing in the morning that Kenzie Burke does. None of that. Just fruit in the morning and then doing the rest of the stuff after. I do what works for that day. That's all. Okay, guys, I'm still not I'm almost there, but I just sneakers on top, which I always do. My makeup, always use travel size. And then my jacket, and then I have 2 sweatshirts. Oh, and then I'm just bringing a backpack with all of my camera and my laptop and that whole shebang. I just need to put that stuff in my bag. Phone's charging. I have everything over here. All my bags, my suitcase. I was just thinking about it, and I know people freak out when they go on vacation. I used to too, because I'm oh my God, I'm trying to eat healthy and I'm freaking out. It's not about that. No freak out. But yeah, I mean, it's just really easy to like give up because of other people that are around you and you're like, I'll get back to it. Well, it's hard that way. So just by, adjusting yourself and choosing a different mindset, that's what I had to do because I would just be like, oh, I'm with my friends and they're eating bread. I'm going to have bread. Well, changing your mindset to let's be clean and not being unhealthy about it, it takes time, but I'm gonna just film that for you guys when I'm away because it's a whole separate story. You're gonna go with a salad, you're gonna go with the fish, you're gonna go with the meat without the bun, something along those lines. So you can always work your way around it even if you're out and about. I always need alone time no matter where I'm going. I go on runs, I do stuff alone, get coffee in the morning alone, even if it means waking up earlier. That's just what I need to do for myself. So I know that everyone has their own little thing, whether it's like you wake up and you do yoga, you have like a hot cup of tea, whatever you do, that's what I do, and that will be happening on this trip. But otherwise, I'm excited. I like being outside. So yeah, I'm currently just like getting it all together, and I will be posting stuff when I'm away, but I'm going to be filming stuff for after that. But yeah, love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. No. Okay, I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching.